Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Crypto Buzz. If impressive performance was a cryptocurrency, then Cardano is most likely to be the mascot of the brand. With all the crashes that the crypto market's seen over time, most of the younger currencies have faded out of existence, as they were unable to recover or have crashed hard. For Cardano ADA, on the other hand, it has consistently recovered from every crash so far. Today we're going to be talking about what the analysts think of Cardano ADA and what the possible outcome would be if you invested $1,000 into the coin. Stick around until the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss out on finding out if investing $1,000 right now in Cardano is guaranteed to make you rich. It will be a waste of time to start introducing Cardano to you. This is one coin that needs no introduction. Its origin, its performance, and its future have been dominating headlines since its introduction into the market. In the months leading up to 2021, ADA boasted some impressive numbers after the general market crash caused by the 2020 COVID pandemic. Its progress in this period has repositioned ADA in new heights, and we've never seen these since 2018. Therefore, opening up the possibilities for upward mobility. Still, before we make any conclusions about whether Cardano can help you raise enough money to retire at 40, there is a lot to be considered. First of all, this is not the first time a coin has been hyped to be the so-called ultimate Bitcoin or Ethereum defeater. Coins have come and gone and still not achieved this, so there is no way to assure you that Cardano will do as well as Bitcoin or Ethereum within the next 5 to 10 years. The volatile nature of the crypto space is common knowledge. Therefore, predictions are just that, predictions and not prophecies. As you may already know, Cardano has a blueprint that is heavily founded in Ethereum that already explains why investors have been able to pick out similar patterns in the two coins. However, a lot of crypto newbies are still unsure about becoming early adopters. The question on everyone's mind is, will a huge investment in ADA make everyone rich? Well, here is what we have been able to figure out about the future of the coin and what it promises early adopters. We will go right out to say that Cardano could make you rich in the long run with emphasis on hood. There are solid reasons to back the fact that ADA is worth investing in. According to some experts, Cardano is likely to go as high as $3 by the time 2021 runs out and may keep rising until it hits the $10 to $15 range in 2025. Furthermore, after considering the performance of this coin in its infant stages, experts have said that it is in the running for a $100 price in the long run. One of the biggest pointers to this fact is that it's a younger brother to Ethereum. However, Cardano still stands to offer a lot more than he would get from Ether. Ethereum runs on a closed system operation with very few options and a lot of technical hurdles to scale. However, with Cardano, the creators have worked on building a decentralized network. In summary, you don't need a PhD in cryptography to navigate the Cardano ecosystem. If Cardano manages to push all the right buttons, it may build a solid user base faster than anything the market's ever seen. Coupled with all the predictions that we've seen since its creation in 2017, Cardano's well on its way to making millionaires. One thing that we need to keep in mind though is that Cardano has the potential to challenge its big brother Ethereum. Now there are two ways that this can go. The competition between the two coins would be largely beneficial for both investors and the coins. Anyone who knows even the slightest thing about crypto would also know that either one of these things is equally possible as an outcome. Presently, Cardano's worth about $1.41. So, if you buy $1,000 in Cardano, you are most likely going to get about 709 Cardano because $1,000 divided by 1.41 is 709.220. Sounds good so far, so if you invest $1,000 now, you're gonna be getting a return of 709 Cardano. Cardano's a very strong fundamental base crypto. This means that if you invest $1,000 right now in Cardano, you're likely gonna get 100 times or 1,000 times the value in the coming years. If you invested $1,000 in Cardano a year ago, you're likely gonna have generated a very high return on investment. As we speak, in fact, sources claimed that $1,000 bought in Cardano as of June 8, 2021 will be worth $18,000 today. According to some analysis, by mid-2021, the Cardano price is going to rise to $1.70 and increase above $3 in the last quarter of 2023 and continue trading above this price level. With the support level of $5 through 2024 and 2025, Analysis also compiled a research report where it stated that Cardano is likely to trade near the $10 price level by the end of 2025. Meaning that, in 2025 Cardano would have risen up between $5 and the $20 mark. Therefore, an investment of $1,000 is likely to yield a return of about 5 times what was invested in 5 years. In the same research report, it was stated that Cardano reported a 69,000% including return on investment between September 2017 and April 2021, and that in the next 5 years, Cardano might appreciate by another 4,600%, trading at about $59. Think about the return on investment in the next 5 years, that's huge. No doubt all of this sounds great, it is promising and impressive. So anyone is bound to think that it would be all too good to be true. Some investors say that one thing could be an issue with investing in Cardano, and that is price fluctuation. And you would find it anywhere you look in the crypto market. In other words, it's more or less like a normal thing in the crypto world. On the other hand, investors are pleased with the way Cardano is growing and keeps showing their support in various ways. If Cardano continues to grow at this rate, what we expect to see in the near future is undeniably quite predictable. So far no complaints whatsoever have been gotten from the investors of Cardano. Well, that is expected, seeing as Cardano is the only cryptocurrency with a considerable increase in price since the start of 2021. Moving on, we can examine how the versatility of the primary function of the Cardano makes it quite different from the other coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano was introduced into the crypto market to solve problems related to scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. This is one of the reasons Cardano, unlike other coins, gets back on its feet after every market crash. In early June this year, Elon Musk, who everyone knew used Bitcoin as a mode of payment for his company Tesla, had to stop using the coin. According to him, he was concerned about how much energy Bitcoin was consuming. Apparently, the annual energy consumption of Bitcoin is equal to the annual energy consumption of the Netherlands. Elon Musk believes that it is quite harmful to the environment, and of course, the amount of influence he has on so many people in the world is inarguable. As a result of his statement, many people saw the market crashing in no time. While this was all happening, other cryptocurrencies also seemed to come crashing down. Cardano ADA was the only cryptocurrency that somehow evaded this misfortune because Cardano was still there, even so by 8%. In the same month, Cardano, which was only 185, is now worth far more than that. It is also ranked fifth in the cryptocurrency tally by market cap. This is why you would find investors rushing to invest in Cardano ADA. As we said earlier, experts speculate that the Cardano is likely to reach the $3 mark before the year runs out. Interestingly, it's also likely to reach the $5 mark by 2022. If that happens, what it means is that by 2022 an investor of $1,000 will be getting $2,550. That is a huge profit because some experts say that even if $1,000 were invested in the stock market, it would take approximately 8 years to get the same amount of profit. Fundamentals even say that Cardano is likely to reach the $10 mark because its market capitalization is definitely something to write home about. Many people have speculated in the crypto market that Cardano might even reach the 1 trillion market capitalization rate. Again, what this means is that an investor of $1,000 will be getting $23,000. If that happens of a truth, you're likely guaranteed to be rich if you invest $1,000 in Cardano now. And with that, guys, we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.
Hey, stupid! I'm talking to you! Listen, if you keep watching videos because you're bored, you'll never be able to have the things that you want. Now listen, I know some of you are pissed off. I started at the bottom with nothing, just like you, a lot of you. The reason why I have this is because one thing, my mindset. I've learned how to manifest the things that I want by using my mind in a very unique way. Look here, let's say billion. I gotta believe that I'm a billionaire right now, just like you gotta believe that you're rich, you gotta believe that you're successful, you gotta believe that you're prosperous right now. Exactly. exactly where you are. I don't care if you have nothing. You have to believe it to your core. There are frequencies and there are sounds that will allow your mind to declutter. You can't get these fancy cars. You're not gonna be able to travel around the world with a cluttered mind. Let me help you in the link below to create and give you the sound that would allow you to picture through meditation everything that you want. Let's go! Let's go!